How to fix no post available on Facebook. So if you open up your Facebook application and if you go with your profile, go with the upper right and then tap on profile. And under your profile, if you get an interface of no post available, which is you on the bottom of your screen, right? So if you get this kind of interface and if you want to fix that problem, then what you need to do is, so in order to remove that, what you need to do is you need to add your post to public. So simply go with your settings. Under settings, you will have an option of activity log. Tap on activity log. Under activity log, choose your Facebook activity. Scroll down and tap on manage post. Under your post, you need to simply choose all of your posts and you need to change the audience. Tap on change audience and then make sure that you've made your audience public. You need to do that every post, and once you've done that with every post, then you will be able to fix that problem. So that's how you can fix no post available on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.